Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus BitPay Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products can be found in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Guarda Wallet and BitPay Wallet to help you decide which one suits your crypto needs better by breaking down their features, target audiences, and unique functionalities. Guarda Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-platform wallet that supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. It's available as a mobile app, desktop client, web app, and browser extension, offering exceptional flexibility for users who want access across devices. Guarda includes built-in features like staking, an integrated crypto exchange, and support for hardware wallets for added security. With its user-controlled private keys, Guarda ensures you have full ownership of your funds. Its intuitive interface is ideal for beginners, while advanced users benefit from its wide range of supported assets and multifunctional tools, making it a comprehensive solution for managing diverse portfolios. BitPay Wallet, by contrast, is a focused, semi-custodial wallet built primarily for payments and transactions. While it supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, it doesn't offer the extensive asset support found in Guarda. BitPay shines with its integration of payment tools, allowing users to buy gift cards, pay bills, and make direct crypto payments through its merchant network. It also offers a built-in crypto to fiat conversion system and support for BitPay's Cryptdebit card, making it perfect for users actively using crypto for day-to-day expenses. However, BitPay lacks some advanced features like staking and has limited functionality for users with diverse crypto holdings. In summary, Guarda Wallet is ideal for users managing multiple cryptocurrencies, seeking advanced features, and prioritizing asset flexibility and ownership. On the other hand, BitPay Wallet is better suited for users focused on using crypto for payments, transactions, and everyday spending. If you value versatility and robust tools, Guarda Wallet is the superior choice. If you're looking for a streamlined wallet for payments and spending, BitPay Wallet may be the better fit. Explore both wallets through the links in the description and choose the one that aligns with your needs.